married for like 12 years and he was abusive mentally and physically. I think I had messaged you also. So, yeah, while I was doing Bepana, so one day I got her for shooting. Who told you that something happened with my daughter?
Because they've arrested Pearl. Just now he's been arrested.
Oh, I don't know, Ekta. He's putting these wrong allegations. I don't know what's wrong with him.
But then you should tell the world the truth, na? Because what is happening is poor Pearl, his reputation will go down.
I know, you're right, Ekta. But the thing is, you know what, my daughter's involved. Ekta, I didn't want to get this, dirty publicity.
But now people they are going to talk shit about your daughter also. This is really problematic for everyone. You know the truth.
I understand.
If Pearl had done,
I know the truth. And Ekta, I have gone to the police station. My maid has given the statement that my maid was with me when I took her for the shooting, and I've been working with Balaji for so many years, and I've given all my statements there. My friends have come, and even in Bepana Pyar, all the actors are saying that they are ready to come and give the statements, and I have given all my statements, all the proofs that he's hit me, videos, and the notes where he's written, "I'll not be abusive with you" and everything. And I'm staying on a rented apartment, and I too got separated. It's been 3 years now I'm separated, staying with my mom. So
I will, if I come to know somebody has hurt somebody's child, I will kill that person. Forget,
Exactly.
I will not leave that person. I will put that person behind bars. But if somebody has been wrongly accused for something like this, you have to talk in the press and you will have to tell people.
No, but Ekta, you know how it is in the press, how dirty it gets. I don't want my daughter to get...
But your daughter and your husband have put a blame on someone. If you know the truth and you know that Pearl is not involved.
I know the truth. Of course he's not. And I have given the statement also.
But you cannot because today he's been arrested.
He's arrested today.
He's arrested. They are not letting him go. I didn't know about this case. I've just got to know.
No, actually, Hamavan ji knew about it, and I had even spoken to him about it.
Yeah, but nobody has told me about it, and clearly there must have not been anything which was. They must have not thought Pearl was wrong because you must have taken Pearl's side, and then this must have, because I'm telling you, if you for 1 second also feel that this has happened.
Not at all. My gut feeling says that it's not happened. And when I so many times in the court, I've met her. I've been meeting her in the court. Can you imagine what I'm going through, Ekta? It's been 2 years. It's going to be 2 years.
So when you met your daughter, what did your daughter say?
I'm telling you, see, 23rd September, he took her from school. When I left my house, I got her with me. So I used to not send her because he told her that I'm possessed. So my lawyer told me, don't send her there. So 4 months I didn't send her, and then I invited him for my daughter's birthday. He didn't turn up. He just sent a cake. And suddenly he comes to the school on 23rd September, and he just picks up my daughter from my she was with me on my lap, so he just takes her. So I told him don't do this because he has a habit of getting like abusive and हाथ उठाता है हर बात पे. तो मैंने उसको बोला कि don't take her, and I directly went to the cops. So then I went with my lawyer to the court and I did a case on him. Then when I land up to his house with Tanvi Thakkar and all, the Bepana Pyar team only, so I get to know from some cop that I had taken my daughter for shooting, so something bad has happened with my daughter, bad touch. So I was like shocked when this, I will tell, she won't tell me and she won't tell my mother. And when I went to his house, I got to know this. And imagine it's been 1.5 years now, Ekta, I'm staying with my daughter. Without my daughter, sorry. And he's put these wrong allegations and all. And first he was writing some Dada has done it. Then he's written some uncle has done it. And now that is Sameer ji calls me and he tells me कि Pearl Puri का नाम लिया है. I was like shocked. कि ये क्या कर रहा है, पागल हो गया. He's psychotic actually.
बेचारा Pearl, but just think about it. मेरे लिए ये अभी people are using a very 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 important movement in this country called Me Too, and a child molestation is not easy. Forget the fact that Pearl will go to jail. I will not work with him ever in my life. This is the worst thing that can happen to him. But if you know it is not, if you know
telefilms, I feel so safe with Balaji. It's never happened. He's just removing his grudge.
He's removing a grudge, but वो grudge किसी की life खराब कर देगा.
What do you suggest?
I suggest you, because today I'm telling you, if he's in jail and tomorrow this news comes out that there is a man who molested a girl, a child, and you know it is not true, the karma that is attached to this, see, on every level it is wrong. Husband wife are fighting, nobody should involve children. On the other level, it's wrong that your child is kept away from you just to prove you as a bad mother. They're going to blame an actor that he touched her inappropriately. Even though I know Pearl, I will always believe the child because that's the way it is. But clearly, here when the mother is saying this, and if your maid has also said, then definitely there might be people are using the child for the wrongest purposes.
Exactly, she's been tutored,
and
she's been.
And today,
if something like
you
that
know,
would happen, tell me, she wouldn't shout. And I also took her to Mehak, my co-artist's place after that. After the day we were shooting, she played with the dog. She was so happy. If something like that happens with a child, won't the child scream or something? I know he's doing all this, but only my daughter was involved. I didn't want all this to come out in the press, because you know how it is now when it comes out in the press.
But I'll tell you what, this is not about press coming out in the press. एक आदमी की जिंदगी खराब हो जाएगी.
नहीं, I don't want that. Of course, I'm with Pearl only.
किसी को नाम खराब करना था आपका और आपके बच्चे का, अब मतलब कि शूटिंग में ऐसे होता है और उसने एक स्वीपिंग स्टेटमेंट. I mean, I don't want to go here and say that okay, but you know there should be proper investigation and everything should be right. But at any point of time, if somebody is being wrongly blamed, this is not going to hold nice.
You know, I feel so guilty about this. You won't believe that because of my case, somebody else is being dragged. And I was like, I've been working with Balaji Telefilms so many times. I've worked with them and I don't know what Ekta must be thinking.
I'm usually with the mother in all these stories. I personally know.
You know how it is now, what's happening. You know, people, actors, they don't, like so many years, I was like, you know, taking it because I thought both my sisters are settled. You know, now my sister is married to Moni Bell. You know that, right?
Yeah, I know Ekta.
Yeah. So she's so settled and, you know, happy. So I didn't want to give mom this stress. You know, I didn't want to come home and, you know, do all this tamasha. Because my dad's also not there, na, Ekta. So, like, I'm without my dad.
But you know, anyway, Ekta,
you're a strong girl.
But आपको किसी ने मारा है, आपको आज you have to stand up for yourself, your daughter, because ये सब कोर्ट में जा रहा है और ये कोर्ट में
brainwashing her so much against me, I can't tell you. So I don't know. Actually, I was in depression first. So when he took her, and I'm with Pearl only. Of course, I'm with the truth, and I have given all the statements. I've given all the proof to police. I am with Pearl because I know nothing like that has happened. See, but you know what? I was not. Sameerji told me you go with Pearl to the police station. But if I would have gone with Pearl to the police station to give any statement, they would have thought कि कोई मिली भगत है इन लोगों की, you know. So I just wanted to keep myself away, and because I spoke to my lawyer also, so she said you don't get into it. Because he's written, you know what he's written in the papers? He's written that I knew and I just put it under the carpet. That's what he's written in the papers. Hello?
I'll just tell you one thing.
Yeah.
That, you know, a child is a very, very sensitive issue. And if anything has happened to the child, we will be the first to raise a voice. But if there's somebody using the child to make a false allegation, this is not going to be easy. There has to be a counter case. There has to be enough
I
stuff.
feel he should do a manhani ka case on him. I am with Pearl. He should do a manhani ka case on my husband. I have no relationship with my husband. I'm not talking to him. Out of the court, I told him ki let's mutually. That time I didn't know whose name and all, because he kept writing Dada. Sometimes he's writing uncle. So out of the court also, I told him ki Anil, let's not make her a pawn in this. And you don't, you know, just for our fight, don't, you know, he's just an ego trip right now. So he's not ready to settle only. I said, okay, according to your terms, थोड़े दिन you keep. I will keep her. Let's not.
बॉस, ये हस्बैंड वाइफ का इशू है, ये बच्चे की लाइफ का इशू है, ये आप लोगों का इशू है. इसमें कोई तीसरा अगर इन्वॉल्व हो रहा है.
You are right. I'm on a guilt trip. I don't know मैं कौन सी घड़ी. You know how it is at work. I just wanted to get her, just spend one day with her.
I feel really bad for you. I really feel bad for you because you took your child to the set and it's become a.
Yeah,
I mean,
I feel
as a
something
working
very-
mother,
and I've
if
been
this allegation is a false allegation, it will just give everyone a chance to make false allegations against working mothers. It's a very sad situation.
You also take your son to the office and all.
Of course I do.
Mother
Of
tell me,
course.
Kareena Kapoor takes the son to the shooting. क्या सबके साथ हम बचपन से जा रहे हैं शूटिंग पे. मैं अपनी बहन के साथ जाती थी. Nothing happened to us. It's so safe everything. सब जगह CCTV cameras लगे होते हैं. You tell me, how can it be के साथ ही ऐसे हो गया? We have such hot girls in our industry.
Yeah, I'm just saying. I'm saying the bad things happen. They happen on sets. They happen in people's homes. They happen with people we most unlikely.
Yeah, it can
people.
happen in a family also.
Yeah,
It
but
can
I'm
happen.
saying if it has not happened, and it
Yeah.
is just being used to put somebody into a problem, and if you feel that it has not happened, you have to stand up for the boy because it's
I
a
will.
very, very problematic thing. And your husband, if he's doing this and he's using, and if there is it's a false claim, and if it's proved, I will tell Pearl to put a case against this man.
Please do that. Please do that. I request you. Please do that. Because
Anyway.
I want that to happen.
Anyway,
Because-
I'll call you back. I'll call you back.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Tellychuckers YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.